Hi guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be quick yes or no. Okay, so for a long time I have not done this reading. So I started getting emails to do this pick a card reading. So I'm doing right now. Then sorry friends, I thought to post my videos frequently, but unfortunately I'm not able to do because I'm quite busy with my work and other things. So sorry for that, and at least now I will try to do the readings frequently, and I'm busy with the personal readings also, so I'm not able to spend time on this pick a card readings. Okay, so let me start friends, and we have 9 piles here, 9 stones. Actually I got these stones, Reiki crystal products. I got these stones, they are very good, I heard. So I got this and I'm using them. So let me tell you the piles. But before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are continuously motivating me, supporting me. Thank you so much. And who are new to my channel, welcome. I know new subscribers are also very important for me to grow my channel. I am growing along with my channel friends. Thank you so much, and I love to read your comments. Please comment if my readings are resonating, or if you want any different kinds of reading, please comment. Okay, please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. If you want any personal reading, you can contact me, and it will take some time to read the mails and all, because my inbox is full as of now. So it will take some time. So please give some time to me to read your emails and all. I'm getting so many email requests also. But definitely I will do the reading. And then that's all. Yes, without wasting much time, let's start the reading. So this is tree agate, and this is black tourmaline, and I will write this pile selections in the description box. You can directly go to the piles. Okay, I will give you the timestamps. You can directly choose the timestamps and see your reading. Okay, so this is peach moonstone, clear quartz, carnelian, rose quartz, lapis lazuli, white agate, and tiger's eye. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose. If you want, you can meditate. And please note that only one pile for one question, friends. Don't choose many questions for one stone. Okay, you have to choose one stone for one question. Okay, otherwise you will get confused with the answers. So we have 9 stones here, so you can choose any stone. Okay, for one question only one stone. That's all. Then let's start the reading. Okay, we will start with this tree agate. So whoever chose this tree agate stone, let's see whether your question, whatever is your question, your answer is yes or no. So your questions can be regarding money, career, job, finance, love. Okay, anything. It can be anything. Children, marriage, then it can be relationships. It can be anything, friends. So let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please say yes or no. Whoever chose this pile number 1, this tree agate, let's see. Okay, so these are your cards. One is chariot and one is the sun. Other one is the sun. and another one is eight of spheres. Okay, so I can see that you are definitely asking about some travel or money related questions or job related question. I can see here clearly. So you want some movement in this, and you want a victory in this whatever question you are asking, and you are asking whether the I will get this job or not. And you are working hard. I can see you are working hard on your money, you are working hard on your pentacles, and you want some movement also. Maybe you are stuck in some job position or money money related question, or you are financially stuck, maybe some problem with finance, maybe because of corona you are not getting salary or something like that. So you are stuck somewhere and you want the moment. Okay, and you are asking whether I will get my money back, whether I will get my job or not, or will I get my salary, or will I go to abroad. Okay, I cannot see any love related questions here, but for some of you, you are asking about marriage. I can see here marriage and children. So your question might be, will I get married to this person, or will I have a child? Some are asking about children also. Will I have a child in this year 2021? Will I get married in this year 2021? Okay, so whatever is your question, friends, the answer is yes, because the sun card, the chariot are very very positive cards. So your answer is 100% yes. Okay, so let's see your advice card, what angels and spirit guides want to advise you. Let's see. Okay, the high priestess. High priestess means they are saying that follow your gut instinct. So whatever you are thinking, whatever you are feeling internally, emotionally or mentally, so that will definitely happen. And you trust your intuitiveness. You are very intuitive, and you have to trust your inner self. Whatever your heart says, you should follow that, and don't listen to others, and don't like follow others. Okay, you have your own path to follow, and you have to meditate and find out the answer, not following others or not following others words. Okay, that's what universe is saying. Okay, that's all for pile number 1. Congratulations, your answer is yes. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Let's go to the next stone. So this is black tourmaline. Whoever chose this black tourmaline, this reading is for you. Let's see, the answer for your question is yes or no. Let's see, answer for your question is yes or no. Let's see, answer for your question is yes or no. Spirit guides and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give the perfect answer. The papers, then page, and the temperance. Okay, so these are your cards, whoever chose this black tourmaline. So I can see here this is love related question actually. So you are asking whether I can trust this person or not, will I stay or move on in this connection. So this pile, whoever chose this stone, I feel that you are asking about the love and relationship question. Okay, so you are asking about will I get balance in this relationship, or will it be like equal give and take in this connection. So right now maybe you are in no communication. So you are thinking whether that person is right for you or not, whether that person is genuine, or what cheater or something. So you are asking this question. So will we reconcile, or will this person is this person good for me, will this person come back in my life, or okay, so this kind of questions you are asking. The papers means this person, whomever you are asking about, this person is trustworthy, this person is very good person, but only thing is, as of now he is having passion towards you, definitely. Okay, he is having lot of passion than love. So this person is looking for physical intimacy or sex with you, but not any other thing. Okay, so right now this person's like energy is like that, and definitely you will get the balance in this connection, and surely it will be equal give and take will happen. but you should give some time. Okay, you should give some time for this connection to grow. You cannot rush things. Okay, so it will take some time, friends. I can say 11 to 14 months or 14 weeks, I can say 11 to 14 weeks it will take some time to for your answer to get the result and get the fruition. So you have to patiently wait for this person or for this connection. So the answer is yes, friends, but still there is some time. Okay, you have to wait for some time. For some people it is 11 to 14 weeks, and for some people it is 11 to 14 months. Okay, let's see one guidance card. Let's pull one guidance card. Let's pull one guidance card. What universe is trying to say to you. Okay, the Chariot. Okay, so they are saying that if you are stuck in this connection, if there is no communication, no contact, then so very soon the movement will happen in this connection, and it is very fast moving energy in this tarot deck, the Chariot. Okay, so definitely you will be moving towards success. Okay, so but till that time what you have to do, you have to enhance yourself, you have to concentrate on yourself. Don't simply think day and night that okay, that person is love, does he love me or not. Okay, don't think 24/7 on about that person, but you have to concentrate on yourself, your health, your body, your physique. Okay, so you have to concentrate on yourself and you have to enhance yourself, and when that person has to come back, the person will come back. Okay, so the time you will be ready for this connection. Okay, universe is saying that first love yourself, then love will definitely come towards you. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Then let's move on to the pile 3. This peach moonstone. Whoever chose this peach moonstone, this reading is for you. Okay. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some clarity and guidance. Please answer whether whatever question my viewers are asking, is it yes or no. Please give us some guidance and please give us some clarity. Is the answer yes or no? Okay, let's see. Okay, definitely this is also love related question. Then many of you are asking about does he love me or she loves me, or will we be together, or will we get married together. So that is your question actually. So the answer is definitely yes, friends, because two of moons means equal give and take. You are having a partnership with this person, so you definitely you both have the mutual feelings. Okay, it is not one-sided love, it is definitely mutual feelings. And for some of you, you are asking will I be rich, will I get the money, or something related to money also some people are asking. For them also it is wish fulfillment. Whatever you are asking, suppose you invested somewhere and you are waiting for the returns, definitely you will have success in that, because 9 of spears is there. That means it is wish fulfillment for you. Okay, so wish fulfillment meaning you will get whatever you want. Okay, so I mean you are free, you are independent, you are rich, you are abundant, and you are concentrating on yourself. Most probably the viewer must be lady, I mean female. Okay, I can see many of my viewers are actually female only, but especially whoever chose this pile, I can see you are female. You are asking about your love life, and definitely I can see that person you are thinking about, they are looking at you as their mm, child's mother. Okay, mother of their children they are thinking. So they are definitely they are looking at you like wife material. They have the intentions and thoughts of marrying you also. It's very they see, they look at you like empress. Okay, they the empress card also came, so they look at you as an empress. You have everything, you are abundant. So maybe for some people, whoever is asking for the child and pregnancy and all, definitely you will be pregnant. Maybe some of you are asking, will I be pregnant or not, will I have children or not in this year. So definitely the answer is yes, because the Empress card is there. And then and in any matter, for that matter, in any area you are asking about money, the answer is yes. If you are asking about marriage, the answer is yes. If you are asking about pregnancy, the answer is yes. If you are asking about love, the answer is yes. So very very positive answer. So let's see what the universe want to tell, what universe wants to say to you. Whoever chose this peach moonstone, let's see what universe want to tell you. Okay, so devil, they are saying that don't get addicted to anybody. Okay, for that matter, if you are thinking about this person and you are very much thinking day and night and not doing any other work, universe is saying don't have this devil kind of thoughts or feelings towards anybody. The attraction is good, but don't be too much attractive to other person. So don't fall prey for this addictions, like you are trying to take alcohol to forget this person, or if you are trying to involve in some things that which you are not supposed to do. So universe is saying that have control, have patience. Whatever you are asking, the answer is yes. But you should be away from this devilish kind of feelings and thoughts or people. Okay, so you have to trust universe and you have to wait for the right time. Okay, that's all I have for you. Then let's move on to the next pile. Whoever chose this clear quartz, this reading is for you. So whatever you have the question in your mind, just pray that universe will give you the answer. Just pray, okay, and tune into the energy, and let's see whether your question, whatever question you are asking, the answer is yes or no. Let's see. Universe and spirit guides, please give us the correct answer. Okay, so many cards are there. I have one extra card also here. Okay, so we have here the Master, Pope, and the Six of Stars, and we have Five of Suns. I can see here you are asking about somebody with whom you have a fight or argument or disagreement, or you are not talking to each other right now, you are no communication, you are away from each other, and you are asking about this person, whether this person is good for me or not. This is for some people this can be a long distance relationship also, and for some people you are asking about abroad or travel, that will I get this job, will I go abroad, will I travel, will I get my wish fulfillment. Okay, so like that you are asking. So the answer will be maybe, because I can see here this person is trustworthy, and maybe 14 number might be prominent for you. I don't know whether that is your birthday or their birthday. It came twice, and so it can be prominent for you. Then both Pope and Master, both are very trustworthy people, and maybe you are asking about the options. Okay, should I choose this person or not? So it is up to you what to do. The answer is maybe, but this person whomever you are asking, that person is trustworthy, and they are now right now moving into calmer water. Maybe you had as I told you already, you had some arguments and all. They want to heal from that, they want to travel towards you, they want to talk to you, they want to communicate, and they want to take you with them. Okay, they have pure intentions, they have good feelings towards you, they are trustworthy, they're very affectionate, sensitive. Okay, I mean, this person could be divorced person also. I can see little bit age difference also is there. This person might be a single father. Okay, for many of you, this person might be single father or a mother, and maybe divorced for some of you. Okay, so but this person is very very powerful, and you are asking whether I can trust this person, or whatever question, whatever the question is, it is related to travel or anything. Okay, the answer is maybe, answer is not clear, friends. So you have to wait and watch. Okay, so the answer is not no also, not yes also, it is maybe. So let's pull one guidance. If you want more clarity, you can choose another pile. Okay, so let's get some advice card from the universe. Okay, they are saying the fool means you have to take leap of faith or risk, because you are confused between two people, I feel, and you are asking whom to choose, your question is. So universe is saying that you should take leap of faith, you should take risk, and you will get success. Okay, you should trust the universe, and you should move ahead. Okay, you should not be stagnant at one place or one person or one thing. So you have to move, and you have to take a risk in your life, then only you will get success. Okay, that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment if it resonates, please. I love to read your comments. So next is carnelian. Okay, whoever chose this carnelian stone, this reading is for you. Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please say yes or no for the question, whatever the question they have in their mind. My viewers, my beautiful, lovable viewers, whatever the question they have in their mind, the answer is yes or no. Please give us some clarity. The Chariot, Initiate, and the Completed World. Okay, so the Chariot, all the major arcanas came in your reading, the Chariot and the Initiate and Completed World. Okay, so you are stuck somewhere with somebody, and you wanted to know whether you will proceed ahead, or you are asking will it reach to marriage. Okay, whatever the connection you are having, uh, your wish will be fulfilled or not. This is also love related or travel related, abroad chances, job. Okay, I can see. The completed world means you have already completed with this person, maybe this person is your ex or something. So you are asking will he come back, will she come back, you are asking. Then if you are asking about any person like your ex, will he come back or not, the answer is yes. Because initiate means this person want to communicate with you, this person want to propose you, this person want to take a step ahead towards you, whatever it may be. This person already, you have completed one chapter with this person. Maybe you broke up with this person, you are away from this person, you both are not talking, no communication, but the answer will be yes. Okay, there will be a movement in this connection because the Chariot card is there. So if you are asking anything about will this person propose me, or will this person marry me, yes, this person have pure intentions towards you, and they will give their world to you. Okay, so initiate means definitely they will initiate the contact, and they want to talk to you, they want to express their love to you, propose you. Okay, very positive reading. Whoever chose this carnelian, very positive. The answer is yes, yes, yes. So let's pull one guidance card, let's pull one advice card. Wow, Empress. Okay, Empress means the growth, the abundance, pregnancy. So definitely universe is saying that you will be abundant, you will be mother of their children. So definitely this person will come back to you, you will be married, and you will this connection or relationship will grow. Okay, so whatever you are asking about, if you are asking about the travel, if you want to go abroad, or you are asking about a job, definitely there will be a growth. So Empress means the Empress is giving birth to another child, another life. Okay, so that means there will be definitely a growth. So that's what universe is saying. You will be abundant, you will get whatever you want. The answer is yes, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. So let's see the next stone. Whoever chose this white agate, so this reading is for you, white agate. So let's see. Please universe, tell me the answer, yes or no. Whatever the question they are asking, please say yes or no for their question. Please give us some guidance and clarity. So please tell me the answer, yes or no. One card flew away. Okay, the three of spheres, master, and the two of spheres. Okay, so your person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn if you are asking about a person, and for some people it is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also. Then definitely you are asking about money, I can see. If you are asking about a person also, they can be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, as I told you already. But there might be some third party involved for some of you, and you are asking whether this person will choose me or the third party. Okay, let's see the answer. But this person definitely is juggling with two people or two things or two, maybe job and love. Okay, this person is definitely juggling with two things. This person is not sharing his or her true feelings to you, or they are not telling the truth. Okay, whatever they have in their life, they are not telling the truth to you, and they have definitely a third party in their life. Definitely they are juggling, so they have to take a decision. And the master means this person is like very emotional and sensitive. They can't say no to that person also, they can't say no to you also. They are confused between two people, and they are working on this connection. Definitely they are working, they are trying to learn more about this connection, but they are not able to take any action. Okay, so almost the reading is moving to no only, friends. But for some of you it is maybe, for some of you it is no, actually. So this person, this is definitely a love related question, and for some of you, as I said, it is money related. But you are learning, you will get the job and you will get the money also, but that is not a satisfactory money. It is like starting stage or initial stage. You will not get the more money, like how much ever you are looking for, that much money you will not get. And you will not be happy with that money or offer whatever you are getting. If you are asking about a person, then the answer is no. This person will not choose you so fast. Okay, this person is still working on the connection, but they have not taken any decision yet. Okay, the answer is showing no only. For some people it will be maybe, but for most of you it is, the answer is no only. So let's see, let's pull one guidance card, friends. Okay, universe, what guidance card you want to give, or what advice you want to give? Okay, the justice. So universe is saying that you have to approach the legal system, or you will get balance in this connection. This person might come towards you, but they have so many battles, so many legal battles that they have to complete it. Or you have to, if you are asking about money or finance, then you have to file a case against them to get the justice. Okay, so you will get the justice, but the thing is, you have to be strong. You have to choose the right thing or right one. Okay, it is not like, don't run behind, fall behind a wrong person or a wrong thing. So universe is saying that you should choose something good for you, something right for you. Okay, that's all I have for you. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Let's move on to the next stone, next pile. Okay, next, this is tiger's eye. Whoever chose this tiger's eye, this reading is for you. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance, please give us some clarity. Please say yes or no for this connection. Sorry, not for this connection, actually, for their question. My viewers, whoever chose this tiger's eye, whatever is their question, please say yes or no, Spirit. Please say yes or no. 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 Okay, we have Burning Tower, the Emperor, and the Hermit. So the answer is clear no, friends. Whatever you are asking, the answer is clear no. The Tower moment is already happened, or maybe going to happen. The Tower moment definitely will come in this relation or connection or whatever it is. So definitely this person is very, very influential person, but very strong, stubborn, adamant, and they are very strict also. They are narcissist, I can say. So they are, if you are asking about a person, will this person, will he make a move or not? So definitely this person is a hermit mode. That means they are not moving, they are not at all coming towards you. They are stuck, they are not at all moving towards you. So the clear answer for this pile, whoever chose this tiger's eye, the answer is clear no. Okay, so this person might be your soulmate or twin flame, but still the answer is no, because this person is not coming towards you. So even it is not necessary that all the soulmates or twin flames will marry and live together. This is there is no guarantee for that. But still this person, you feel that this person is a soulmate of yours, but they will not make any move because of the Tower moment happened between you already, or it's going to happen, but this person will definitely will not come towards you. Let's see one guidance card from universe. Okay, the Hierophant. So universe is saying that whatever you are asking, even this person is a soulmate or something, you will get married, but the thing is you have to wait and you have to choose the right person. So you will be so if you are asking about marriage, definitely you will get married, but not to this person. Okay, so you will find somebody very good and kind hearted, or good for you. Whoever is good for you, you will find them and you will get married. Or if you are looking for any job or any position, definitely you will get that position, but you have to choose a right company or a right firm or a right job. Then definitely you will get it and you will be happy, but not right now. So the answer is no, but universe is saying don't lose hope. It will happen, but you have to choose the right one. Okay, that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's move on to the next pile. So whoever chose this rose quartz, I think this is rose quartz only. Yes, yeah, this is rose quartz only. Whoever chose this rose quartz, this reading is for you. Let's see. So whatever is your question, the answer is yes or no. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Whatever they are asking, whatever my viewers are asking, the answer is yes or no. The answer is yes or no. Please say yes or no, Spirit. Please say yes or no. Please say yes or no. Four of Spears, Cardinal, and the Knight. Okay, so many of you might be asking about money or job, or some of you are asking about relationship. Okay, so this person is not open to you. This person is introvert, they don't want to reveal their feelings, they are hiding their feelings, they are not telling you, they are not open to you. You are not able to trust this person because this person is wearing a mask, they are not saying anything to you. They are very possessive also. They don't want to share their feelings to anybody, or they don't want to share love with anybody. Okay, if you are asking about money, this you are very much a saving kind of a person. You want to save money. You are sometimes some people might be stingy also. So I mean, you will get the money, but you should give some what do you say, fresh air to the money. You have to, cash flow should be there. If you keep everything inside the bank locker and all, then what is the use? You have to use the money, you have to give some space, you have to make it breathe some fresh air. Okay, then only it will grow, right? Otherwise it will be stagnant, it will be there only in your bank account and it will not grow at all. Okay, then cardinal, and we have a knight. Okay, so knight means there will be a movement, and there will be but this is not a permanent shift or permanent thing that you are asking for. This is not ultimate fulfillment. Whatever is the question, this is not the ultimate fulfillment. This is a temporary, it will show up and you cannot trust this. Okay, whether it is a person, whether it is a job, whether it is a thing. Okay, so this is just temporary. In the night energy, it will come fast and go fast also. It will not stay in your life, friends. Okay, then this is also, both the nights are there. There is some stalking energy also is there here, I can see. And both the nights means it is fast moving energy. They will come in your life and go. Even if you get the money also, it will go very fast, and it will not stay with you. That's what I want to say. Okay, so the answer is no, friends. And for many, very few of you, the answer is maybe, but the most of you, the answer is no only, friends. Sorry to say. Then let's pull one guidance card. Oh my god, let's pull one guidance card. What guidance universe want to give it to you in this situation? Let's see. Okay, universe is saying the same thing, that there are some secrets. Okay, there are something that it is not revealed. This person is wearing a mask. Okay, it is like not clear and not trustworthy. You should not trust. Okay, there might be many secrets involved, many hidden things, and which may be bad for you. That is why universe is saying that no, this cannot be happen. It will have, if it happens, it is bad for you. So universe is saying no. So the answer also is no for you, whoever chose the rose quartz. Hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. And don't forget to comment. I love to read your comments. Okay, then last is lapis lazuli. Whoever chose this lapis lazuli stone, this reading is for you. Last pile. What is the answer, spirits? Yes or no? Yes or no? Whatever the question my viewers are asking, what is the answer, spirit? Yes or no? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Please say yes or no, spirit. Please say yes or no. Please say yes or no. The Chariot, Three of Moons, then the Alchemist. Okay, so whatever is the question you are asking, the answer is yes, 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 friends. There will be movement in this situation. Whatever you are asking for, there will be a positive movement and fast movement. You will celebrate, you will enjoy with your friends. You are manifesting whatever you want to have. Okay, so Alchemist means you are manifesting your dreams to fulfill. Okay, your dreams will be fulfilled very soon. Whatever is the question, that question can be love, marriage, health, then travel, money, finance, whatever it is, the answer is yes, 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 friends. I don't know what should I explain to you. Okay, because the answer is very, very clear here. So I don't think I need to explain it more than this and waste time. So the answer is yes, 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 friends. Let's see. Let's pull one guidance card. See, I didn't even shuffle the sun card popped up. So what else you want, friends? I mean, universe is also saying that you will be very, very happy, very bright, and your life will be bright, like shiny, like sunshine. You'll be very happy. What else you want, friends? The answer is very yes. Even the guidance also is very, very positive. Okay, stay positive, stay blessed. Whoever chose the lapis lazuli, that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment, friends. I love to read your comments, and that's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye.